Man's battles with the natural elements are demonstrated to the full in the films featured in Part 5 of our Construction Collection DVD programs. From taming the new frontier in America's west coast, building the huge Glen Canyon Dam over the massive Colorado River, to answering the need for conservation in Britain, International's machines were there to answer the inevitable call and provide the best possible service. We feature a wide range of IH machines in the following 5 unedited films. From the new 270 pay scraper to the massive TD30 dozers and the 125 loaders to the huge PH 180 haulers, plus many more, all working hard to satisfy our demand for progress. The need for conservation has never been more urgent. Pollution, expanding populations, diminishing natural resources, natural erosion are all placing heavy demands on man's ingenuity. Those words come from our next film, made in the 1970s, but they seem to be as relevant today as they were then. International's construction and industrial equipment was playing an important role in the challenge of moulding the environment for a more secure future. The film is British made and aptly named For a Better Tomorrow.
Change comes out of conflict. A man in constant conflict with nature is perpetually changing his environment, often without spoiling it. In remote and relatively untouched areas, it's uneconomic to continue leaving the land desolate or using it solely for game and hunting. In order to put this land in Wales to better use, the British Forestry Commission, which already has 2 million acres under afforestation, is developing the area for afforestation. Afforestation can serve a number of purposes. It reduces soil erosion, it provides a future supply of timber, it provides increased employment opportunities, and it can add to the scenic beauty. The area is deep ploughed and allowed to weather to improve the soil conditions prior to setting out young tree plants, which have been kept in cold storage until the land is ready for planting. Extra wide tracks on the crawler prevent bogging down, and a front-mounted hydraulic winch takes the place of the blade.
Well, Buddy Jones was the first of the regulars to take over. And you know, you can learn something from everybody when you keep your eyes open. For example, during Buddy's time on the 270, we reconfirmed our own belief about real ease of operation. And he made it very clear that you have the same advantages on the 270 with hydro-spaced steering that you have on their big brothers, the 295Bs. They both have the same design in their double-bottom bowls, scaled down, of course, for these smaller scrapers, rated at 14 yards struck, 18 on the heaped basis on a 1-to-1 slope. The 270s are also equipped with air-over-hydraulic stop master brakes. Check the full cutting width of 9 feet 9 inches, wider than the trailing wheels.
No question that it's rock, and no question about full volume. 8 dippers from a 4-yard bucket in this case. "16 buckets was the dipper count for this 2.5-yard shovel in another area.